There's 3 shoe mistakes every guy needs to stop making. Mistake number 1 is stop wearing white socks with black shoes. This creates a big contrast and is unappealing to the eye. Instead, wear black shoes with black socks. This won't create a harsh contrast and your style would look so much better. Same goes both ways. Don't wear black socks with white shoes. Instead, wear white socks with white shoes. It's more pleasing to the eye and they match perfectly. Final mistake is stop wearing dress shoes with jeans. This just makes it look like you have no style. Dress shoes go with dress pants and casual wear.